Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. Friends, we have two very good hiring for today. The first one is from TCS and another one is from HexaView. I will tell you about the eligibility criteria of hiring so that you do not waste your time watching the complete video. TCS MBA hiring is only for MBA graduating in 2024, and the last date to register is 20th of December. That means tomorrow. Don't miss this opportunity. Now the second hiring we have from HexaView Technology, which is hiring for QA fresher for Noida location. Friends, QA means testing, and this is for 2021 and 2022 graduate. No 2023 graduate, no 2024 graduate, no 2019. So all these graduates are not eligible. Only 2021 and 2022 BE, BTech, MCA, and MTech are eligible. Okay, friends, you just need to develop some test plan, test cases, test script based on the software requirement and design document. So this is for the fresher. What actually you have to do? So you have to send an email to gulam.kasif at hexaviewtech.com. So this is the official hiring, and Gulam Kasif is HR at Hexaview Technologies, right? Okay. So basic level of coding. Friends, any company now they are hiring, they need very basic level of any coding language like Java, C++, Python. Okay, fine. Now I will be telling you more about the hirings, and also in this video I will discuss TCS Smart Hiring syllabus. How can you prepare for that? Okay, each and every detail I will be sharing. So for TCS MBA hiring, so if you have done BE BTech, then MBA, then only you are eligible. Okay, so BCom MBA, so any other thing except BE BTech and then MBA are not eligible. Your test date will be 22nd of January. For eligibility criteria, you can go here. Okay, and also FAQs, test pattern. So test pattern is aptitude, verbal ability, and business aptitude is there. Frequently asked question, so all of these are there. They have also told you how can you register and how you will be able to apply, right? Friends, if we talk about the package, so as far as I know, for MBA graduate the package will be around 6 lakhs. Okay, so recently we had covered one interview for TCS MBA, that you can look out. Friends, please do subscribe our YouTube channel so that you all the hiring related steps and then preparation related videos, each and everything you will be getting it from our channel. Now, so and then HexaView, you're already aware, you can directly send an email. All the details will be given in the video description. Friends, if we'll talk about TCS Smart Hiring, this was for 2023 and 2024 batch. The dates is over. It was on 14th of December 2023, and test date will be to be declared. Fine. Okay. So now in TCS BPS, if you will check the syllabus, then test pattern. So basically you will be having numerical ability, verbal ability, and reasoning ability, right? So this will be what asked in the TCS Smart Hiring. Okay. Now, so aptitude, reasoning, and verbal ability. Now, so how to prepare? So friends, we have you know multiple free videos. Let us talk about the free videos first. Just search TCS BPS online study for you. You will be able to see TCS BPS aptitude sample paper, smart hiring live class where also there, previous year questions were there, IT and BPS, right? So there are a lot of videos, you will be able to find it on our channel, right? Okay. TCS BPS actual question 2 months before I had solved. Some more videos you will be getting it on our channel. Okay. Now, friends, if you really want to, if you're serious and really want to prepare, then we have the crash course for TCS BPS. Okay, let us talk about the syllabus. Aptitude. So, friends, aptitude, we have 29 videos here, like simplification part 1, part 2, average, percentage, profit and loss, age, number system, HCF, LCM, logarithms, ratio, proportion. And you can see the each video length, like 49 minutes, 46 minutes, 1 hour, 59 minutes. So the video is quite long, 1 hour 11 second. So I have not kept 100 videos. Try to understand. I have not kept 100 videos because you will be watching 10 minutes video, 10 minutes video. No, instead of that, so we have the videos where you have to watch one video, all your concepts will get clear. Okay, and then for a practice, we have the mock test. So that mock test you can attempt it. So total 29 videos on aptitude you will be getting. Okay, and then if you come down here, so if you go to content, right? So okay, content, aptitude, and then we have aptitude next level problems, some difficult level of the problems we have given. Then reasoning videos, total 26 videos are there on all topics has been covered. And again, same thing here, 1 hour 34 minutes of the video, 56 minutes, 59 minutes, all the videos will be quite long so that you do not have to watch multiple videos. Then you have verbal ability. So we have 82 videos for the verbal ability. So we have the basic videos, very basic videos. Okay, start from scratch. Then we have exam specific topics are there, and then we have solved previous year questions. Okay, okay, fine. Then if you come down here, TCS verbal ability, 4 videos are there. Again, like 84 plus 82 plus 4, 86. And then TCS BPS previous year questions we have solved. TCS BPS aptitude 1, aptitude 2. So your TCS BPS previous year question is covered. And then once you clear, then you have the interview courses. So the complete TCS BPS course you will be getting in this particular video, complete strategy, right? Free videos, you can check it out on our YouTube channel. And if you're able to understand, go for the course. The link will be given in the description. Thank you. That's all for today. So these are the job openings and also how to prepare for your TCS Smart Hiring. Thank you.